In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a module in your course. If it's a brand new course and you've not added any content, your view may be similar to this. If your course opens up to a page or something else, simply click on Modules in the course navigation on the left side. Then we're going to go up to the blue button that says Add Module or Plus Module. And we're going to give our module a name. I'm going to use one from the outline for one of our courses. If you created an outline, this makes it super easy because you have an outline that you want to follow and you can just start populating it. So this is the name of my module. And then I'm going to go over here to the plus button and click Add. And then I'm going to decide what my next item is. So you typically start your module with an overview, which would be a page. So I click and then select Page. Then select New Page and give my page a name. In this instance, it is Designing Accessible Content Overview. Oops. Could have picked a shorter one, right? And then I will click Add Item. You can see it gave me the first item for my module. Now I'll go back and hit the plus button again and do my next item. Again, it's a page in my outline, so I make sure New Page is selected, and then I have to delete this and put my next item name. So it's going to be 3.2 Content Considerations. And then I'll click Add Item. We'll keep following this process. I'm going to switch and do a different type now. So I'm going to do the Add button. And even though this isn't my next item, I want to do an assignment to show you how to do an assignment. So I'll click on this selection box and choose Assignment, New Assignment. And on my outline, this is 3.4 Hands-on Add Accessible Text. And then I will click Add Item. The same thing would work for a quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and add my quiz. And again, it's not in the correct order because I'm skipping a few, so you don't have to watch everything. And I'm going to do 3.7 Quiz 2. And then I will add the item. I'm also going to add a discussion. So I'll click the Add button, go to the selection box, choose Discussion, New Topic, and I will put 3.6 Discussion 2, Designing Accessible Content. Now you'll notice I did it out of order and 3.6 should come before 3.7. I can just click on the item and move it up. So you can reorder your items as needed. And what we've done right now is simply created like a reference to content that doesn't truly exist. So when I go to click on it, for instance, this page, if I click on it, there's the page and I'd have to actually edit it in order to go ahead and put the content on there. I love designing my courses this way because I get it all organized and then I go through and populate each item. And then for me, when I'm building out a course, I will leave the module unpublished, but I'll publish each individual item as I complete building it out. So then it's kind of a visual cue to me, see if it's green, that I've already completed that and I'm done. And then when I'm done with the whole module, I will publish the whole module. That's just a trick that works well for me. Another thing that you can do in modules is when you add an item, you can add a text header. So say that there's some reason that like maybe you teach 2 different concepts each week. And so you might say concept 1. I can't think of one off the top of my head. And just put that in there. And then you can put this as like a textual header in there. And let's see what else we have here. You can also link to an external tool or an external URL. We actually encourage you not to do that because it's better to create a page and give some context or reference to the link that you're linking out to. So that's just another little tip. So those are the basics of creating a module in your course. Go ahead and use your outline that you have created and create your first 2 modules for your course.